Do you have too many chat folders on Telegram and want to remove the ones you no longer use? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly delete chat folders on Telegram and keep your chats more organized. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. At the top of your chat list, you may see different tabs like All Chats, Work, Friends, Groups, or other custom folders you previously created. These folders help organize conversations, but over time, you might not need some of them anymore. To remove a folder, tap on Settings in the bottom of your screen. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down a little and select Chat Folders. Here you'll see all the folders currently added to your Telegram account. Each folder can contain different chats, groups, channels, or contacts depending on how you organize them. Find the folder you want to remove. Then tap the three dots next to that folder. A small menu will appear on the screen. From the options, tap Delete Folder. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Delete again to continue. Don't worry, deleting a folder does not delete your chats or messages.